Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and of course do share this video. So you guys, people felt like Vusi Thembekwayo exposed Mihlali Ndamase for living a fake life after they saw one of his motivational video on TikTok, where he basically told people about a story about a South African female influencer. In the video, Vusi Thembekwayo said the influencer went to a private airport with her luggage and posed next to a private jet as though she had flown private and posted it on her social media, you guys. He explained that the camera shot the engine turbine and it was sealed, which then meant that the jet never went anywhere, you guys, and Mihlali just went there to take snaps for social media, and she was never in the private jet, you guys. Now, please do share with me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Also, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.